everyone. Today we are going to discuss about consumption analysis. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences, multiple choice questions. Pick the odd one out. Luxuries, comforts, necessaries, agricultural goods. The correct answer is agricultural goods. Choice is always constrained or limited by the dash of our resources, scarcity, supply, demand, abundance. The answer is scarcity. The chief exponent of the cardinal utility approach was J.R. Hicks, R.G.D. Allen, Marshall Stigler. Marshall is the answer. Marginal utility is measured by using the formula of TUN minus TUN minus 1, TUN minus TUN plus 1, TUN plus TUN plus 1, TUN minus TUN plus 1. The answer is TUN minus TUN minus 1. When marginal utility reaches 0, the total utility will be minimum, maximum, 0, negative. Maximum is the correct answer. Gauss's first law is known as law of equimarginal utility, law of diminishing marginal utility, law of demand, law of diminishing returns. Law of diminishing marginal utility is the correct answer. The basis for the law of demand is related to law of diminishing marginal utility, law of supply, law of equimarginal utility, Gauss's law. The correct answer, law of diminishing marginal utility. The concept of consumer surplus is associated with Adam Smith, Marshall, Robbins, Ricardo. Marshall is the correct answer. Given potential price is rupees 250 and the actual price is rupees 200, find the consumer surplus. 375, 175, 250. 50 is the answer. Indifference curve approach is based on ordinal approach, cardinal approach, subjective approach, psychological approach. Ordinal approach is the correct answer. The concept of elasticity of demand was introduced by Ferguson, Keynes, Adam Smith, Marshall. Marshall is the correct answer. Increase in demand is caused by increase in tax, higher subsidy, increase in interest rate, decline in population. The answer is higher subsidy. The movement on or along the given demand curve is known as extension and contraction of demand, shifts in the demand, increase and decrease in demand, all the above. Extension and contraction of demand is the answer. In case of relatively more elastic demand, the shape of the curve is horizontal, vertical, steeper, flatter. Flatter is the answer. A consumer is in equilibrium when marginal utilities from two goods are minimum, maximum, equal, increasing. Equal is the answer. Indifference curve was first introduced by Hicks, Allen, Keynes, Edgeworth. Edgeworth is the answer. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1 indicates unitary elastic demand, perfectly elastic demand, perfectly inelastic demand, relatively elastic demand. Unitary elastic demand is the answer. The locus of the points which gives the same level of satisfaction is associated with indifference curves, cardinal analysis, law of demand, law of supply. Indifference curve is the correct answer. Ordinal utility can be measured by ranking, numbering, wording, none of these. Ranking is the correct answer. The indifference curve are vertical, horizontal, positive sloped, negatively sloped. Negatively sloped is the correct answer. Thank you very much for your listening.